My name is Daniel Samuel, and I'm the creator of the Facebook group Earning Passive Income with MTI. So today, I want to talk to you guys about passive income. So, who needs a passive income? Let's say in your case, you have a day job, you're an engineer, you work for an oil firm, you're a bank manager, you are a law enforcement officer, you're a teacher, or you even own your own business, you're an entrepreneur. All those jobs and professions have one thing in common. They're all working for money. But why not let your money work for you? Okay, let's take it this way. How about, God forbid, the company or the corporation you're working for decided to lay off staff because of the economic situation that the whole world is facing at the moment? Or how about you just got sacked outrightly? How about a fire incident in your personal business or something? Do you have a passive income that you can fall back on if any of these things happen? I'm not saying they're going to happen, but just in case they do happen, you have something that you can fall back on. That is why we all need many streams of income. No billionaire or no wealthy person have ever become wealthy by working with one source of income. You need to have several streams, of passive income. And MTI Mirror Trading International presents such unique opportunity for you to have a very, very viable and sustainable source of passive income. So who are MTI? MTI is a forex trading company registered in South Africa, and they use Bitcoin as their base currency. So it's all about Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. And you as the investor, you don't need to have any pre-forex trading skills, as MTI does all the job and all the trading for you, while you do all the earning. Yes, so you don't have to have any skills about forex trading. MTI does the trading for you. You just invest with your Bitcoin and relax and sit and watch your Bitcoin grow every day. You might say it's risky. Let's say you've lost some money in some online business before. But that's life for you. Life is full of risk. And the bigger the risk, the bigger the gain. So if you're not a risk taker, then that certainly means that you're working for a risk taker. Let's say the boss in your office, your CEO, they are all huge risk takers. That's how come they become that wealthy. So if you're not ready to take risks, then that means you're already preparing yourself to work for risk takers in future. So MTI is a great opportunity that I will encourage you to take part in. So I'm not a financial advisor, so do your due diligence. You can research them, you can investigate, and when you're satisfied with your findings, then you can come join the winning team and start making money, start earning. So, how do you get started with MTI? To register with MTI is free, but you will have to fund your account within 7 days, as any account not funded after 7 days will be deleted. So how do you start earning with MTI? After your registration, you are expected to fund your account before 7 days. And you can do that with at least $100 worth of Bitcoin. And after that, you're ready to start earning. But if you are like me that likes to earn more, then you can upgrade your Bitcoin to about $200 worth of Bitcoin. This will enable you to take part in MTI's affiliate program. That means you bring someone or you invite your friends and family to join the investment. MTI gladly rewards you for that. And it's a great and a huge reward. So you can check our other videos in the group or on YouTube to learn more about the binary affiliate program. So if you're ready to start earning passive income with MTI, you can see the registration link in the description of this video, or I have my number, my WhatsApp number, and my contact, my email scrolling on the screen. Make use of this great opportunity and become part of this huge community of winners. See you in the next video. Thank you.